Welcome back, guys. After a productive holiday period where I managed to upgrade most of my tools and hence this streak of videos, I then realized it was finally time to replace my keychain Victorinox, the Midnight Manager. Truly one of my best acquisitions and the most used on a daily basis. In my opinion, this Rambler generation with some of its variants possess a genuine set of useful tools for this 58mm form factor. I had my Midnight Manager for such a long time because 7 years ago I didn't need a dedicated keychain flashlight, plus in this period there has been a lot of progress in the torch department. Hence why I went for the Midnight variant, which gives you the white LED at around 15 lumens, an upgrade over the original red and weak light. And with this pressurized pen since I had situations for a quick signature. Fast forward to present time, as I was browsing I discovered that just last year Victorinox retired 39 models, including the one that I wanted to buy now, the Rambler Signature, since I have a proper powerful flashlight now. As you can imagine, I can't find it anywhere in stock, and I don't need the ridiculously bulky USB variants, plus I can't even find my Midnight Manager in transparent red anymore. Then I had a look into the custom market for those as well, but they are way too expensive for my taste and I don't want to wait months to arrive. Heck, I might even try to do it myself, but that's a topic for another video. I then accepted my fate, and as I was ready to order the standard Rambler, then I saw how compact the Alox Mini Champ is, the most packed variant of them all. Even when compared to a standard Rambler, since those Alox scales are so thin. Better yet, they are way durable than the Celidor standard scales. As you can see, they are almost coming off on my Manager due to a small crack. I pulled the trigger and oh my god, it's such a sexy mini multi-tool. The only problem with this Mini Champ series is that Victorinox just shoved a lot of weird and some unnecessary tools, at least for my needs. The most obvious one is the cocaine spoon or cuticle pusher as they call it. I see people sharpening this one into a small chisel or maybe use it as a quick pry bar for lighter tasks. The ruler or depth gauge combo with a flathead screwdriver. This is where personally I wish they could have easily put the nail file on the other side as well, like this on the Rambler series. Now this will be a great package opener, especially for the hard plastic enclosures. This is an extra sharp one criff blade. The old style nail file, which like I previously mentioned, I hope they can combine it one day. Anyway, all of these tools sit on this part, which I call the weird side, while on the other side we have all of the ones from the Rambler minus the nail file. The epic scissors, the main blade and the combo tool, magnetic Phillips wire stripper and bottle opener. So if you're in the same position and don't know what to get, I can highly recommend the Mini Champ as long as you get the Alox variant, since you get such a compact product in terms of tools to width ratio, even when compared to most 58mm models. Of course, an Alox Rambler was made in the past, but only like a limited series through Swiss Bianco. As you can imagine, there is no perfect Victorinox, only you decide what you need. So far it's been a week since I had it and it's starting to grow on me. As for the pen, I didn't want to sacrifice that option, so I found this retractable one on eBay, which is surprisingly sturdy and complements perfect all my grayed out keychain stuff. I will link it down if you're interested. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and how would you spec your perfect 58mm Victorinox? See you in the next one.